Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the sensitive content on Twitter. So I'm in my Twitter account. On the top left side corner you can see your profile image. Tap there. Then you can see setting in privacy. Tap there. Now in the screen you can see privacy and safety. Just tap there again. Scroll down and here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. Stick blue. Just tap again here and it's off. Okay, so this is it guys. Likewise you can turn off the sensitive content in Twitter. So thanks for watching the video guys.